Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Diamante. I'm using a Video Suite 2021. So just click New Project in order to start a new video project. So next thing we have to choose some files. So you can just simply click on File Import and go Add Files. Or if you already have files saved, you can go to Media Bin like myself, and I have some tracks saved, as well as some pictures and 2 videos. Using Movavi Video Editor or the Movavi Video Suite is not a rocket science, but it takes some practice. So first of all, I want to drag my video or video files or pictures. I will start with this one here and just drag it to the line that says video track. Then the next thing, I want to possibly play this video just to see what I have already. Hit play. And you can hear some horrible background noise. I want to get rid of all this sound whatsoever. I won't need it. And the way to do it is to highlight the bottom part over here. That's all the sound to do with the actual footage that you have now dropped to the track, to the video track. So it's highlighted now, and I'm pressing delete, or you can just do the right click on your mouse and do delete. Perfect. Now it's all gone. You can anytime press space in order for the video to play. And here it's about 37 seconds of a video. I will make it a little bit shorter, and you can see that there is just some footage that is not needed. For example, this move, and it's just, I think, unnecessary. Okay, so my aim here is to make happy birthday video for someone whose birthday is in December. And over here we will get rid of some of the footage, and it's just fairly close now. Exactly, it's when I'm going backwards and just no need for it. So just about here, I will click the scissors, which is going to split the video into 2 different parts. So now we have 2. Then you can just press space, let it play for a little bit. Just whenever you think that it's time to sort of like get rid of the part, we're going to do it here and press another scissors. I'm going to click delete. Now we have 2 different parts of the video. Okay, so let's play the second bit, and I will cut it about here. Perfect. So we're getting rid of the end bit. And next thing, you have options. You can add the music, for example, then we can add the transitions. It really depends. I like to do the music just to get a little bit of a mood of the video. I will also add pictures, and we'll show you that in a second. Now these ones here I have downloaded. You can download it from the YouTube Studio if you're using it, and these are free and you can use it, and it's always nice to reference whose music that is. So they are free to use, royalty-free music clips. Sorry, it was probably a bit loud for you, so sorry about that. Now, in order to manage the volume level, you can just click on this icon and bring it lower. Yeah, I find it's a little bit, it's not sort of like what we want. Let's see the next one. Be nice for birthday. I think that's nice. I will try this one as well. I have to admit this is one of my favorites, so I will use it here. Usually, you know, it plays for a certain amount of minutes and sometimes it's not needed. So I'm going to bring my marker over here, and I will probably just cut it somewhere here and highlight and delete. Now, next thing, the volume of the music. I will highlight this part over here. So this is our audio track. And next thing, I'm going to click these three, the clip properties. I want to reduce it to about like maybe 28. And now let's see. So I'm going to bring the marker all the way to the front and press space to play. Now you can see there was some sort of a shake, and that's kind of annoying. Okay, so I will click the scissors and I'll get rid of that shake thing. Okay, it normalizes here in and about, so you must highlight, otherwise it won't be allowing you to get rid of it. So I want to get rid of this bit, so I will click delete. Okay, it didn't get rid of your music. You can cut your music, same thing, but you have to highlight it first. Okay, now I think it would be nice to kind of zoom it in a little bit. And for that reason, we're going to go all the way down to the more tools and click pan and zoom. And you have different options. So we might try and zoom in. And again, you see that this is sort of grayed out. It's not going to work because this is now highlighted on the music section. We will highlight. If you make a mistake, and it can always go back. So you have to highlight the clip you want to work on, and the next thing we're going to use the zoom in. You have to sort of like select specific place where you want it to be at. So over here, you know, you can move it around. We're going to center Booches. Booches is my beloved cat. He's also on Instagram under cat_Booches. And he loves to upload daily, so make sure you follow him on Instagram. Over here, I will just go back with a marker and see how it looks once it's playing. Let's have a look. I think it's nice, so we're going to leave it that way. I suppose next sensible thing to do is to look into the transitions, and they are over here. Lots of different options. Anything you like, you'll find it here. Let's try this one, origami. So the same thing, I have highlighted the clips and I will drag it. So left click of the mouse, drag it. And you see transitions can only be in between of the files, of your files. So over here, I will just release it and see how it looks like. I don't know, I don't like it. I'll highlight it and press delete. We're going to scroll down and I would like something a little kind of different. Maybe this one here. So I'll drag it down in between the two and play the same. No. Okay, so you can also just redo it and it will be out. The next one we'll try as well and see how it looks like. Maybe it's fine, it's okay. It's not my favorite, but that's all right. You can also choose the speed, so you can even, well, that will actually be the speed of your video. So once again, you just can go back and see how that works for you. Perfect. At this stage here, I'm going to go back to my media and media bin. I will scroll down a little bit just to see what sort of files I have. This is my second file, which is a small little video file, and then it has its own music. So I think I might leave it for the very end. That's just a picture, and I might bring it maybe for the transition. Let's see how that looks like. I think that looks cute. The only thing, I will highlight it with the left click of the mouse and I will drag it to the left. I felt it was just too long. And remember, we're here creating a video to say happy birthday, and well, you know, it's the time of COVID now, so people can't meet up. So maybe you can create a video and send it to your loved one, someone that you care about, to say happy birthday. I can't be with you today or this year, but you know, I'm thinking about you. So I will go to the sign with the letters. And over here, I want to make sure I do highlight the actual clip I'm working on. You have a different options that you can use for writing anything, something that you want to put there. And the best way is just kind of, you know, give it some time, kind of play around and see what's the best option for you. I usually like to use the plain text. Sometimes these little boxes of comments can be funny, but there's not much space in here, so I don't think it would work well. I would like to go just maybe for the flying text. I'm highlighting with the left click of the mouse and dragging it somewhere over here. You can see I have to be all the way up. That's the only way it will allow me to put it in the middle, because otherwise if I'm only dragging it here along the media track bit, it will only allow me to put it in between the files. Okay, so next thing we have to personalize it. So you'll double click with the left mouse thing, delete it and say happy birthday. And we might change the color of it. Let's go with green. That looks maybe, I don't know, it doesn't probably match the colors in the actual color scheme of the video. You can choose different fonts, you can, you know, choose different size, whichever you prefer. Okay, you can choose the background. Sorry, you can't see it well. So what we'll do is we'll just go here so you can see it better. Don't know why you can't see it well, sorry. Okay, let's try to play it. Okay, so one of the things that is easy to be overlooked, click with the left and just shorten it. You see it only starts here, so that's why it was dragged all the way there. I will highlight it, bring it left to the beginning, so we have it for the whole duration of his picture. Now I will always make sure I'll bring my marker in order to play the video, so bring it before the writing. Okay, that was great. However, I might extend the picture, extend the happy birthday, so we have a little bit more of a effect, I suppose. And then play. Okay, something else. So we're going to highlight the happy birthday bit with his picture. And then I'm going to go over here. So the stickers. Loads of funny little stickers. They will put a bit of a mood to the video. You know, hearts are nice for birthdays and they're always very cute and sweet, so why not to use them? You can choose the size, so simply drag up or down. That's cute, isn't it? That should be nice, I think. And then you get to choose the duration. A couple of seconds is just fine for us because it's just a short little bit. I will extend it, so I'll make it for the whole duration of. Okay, now that's perfect, but you see the way it went all the way there, so I will reduce it and make it in line with each other. Birthday, what kind of birthday without the balloons? So why not to put a couple of balloons as well? And let's drag it over here together with all the other birthday little bits and pieces. If you feel like, oh my gosh, where it went, I will just double click it and we might bring it somewhere here. Maybe I think it looks not bad. That's fine. And if you go back, there is lots of different options and you just can, you know, play around, take your time. I will take this as well and put it out there. I'll make it a little bit smaller because it's fairly big. And press apply. In terms of the size, you can always adjust it, so that's no problem. If you want to have a look at the rest of the little icons, please do. And let's see what we have now. Okay, here it went a bit further, so I'm going just to bring it together. In terms of the actual happy birthday, I'll double click it. Now it's not bad, but I don't like the way it was placed. So you can just take it like that, make it smaller, for example, or just drag it to a different place. We can put it here. Maybe that's not bad. I think that's cute. Perfect. And let's try to play it. And you can see that this file already has the music. So I'm going to select the music over here and split so I can get rid of it by pressing delete. Over here, also you can check out my other video on Movavi Video Editing. It's just the video that you can see now on the right hand side top corner. So over here, I am going to press fade out for about half a second. So those two bits of music are not clashing together, you know, and that's right there. Perfect guys, so that's our little video now all done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel because I always upload different videos. And also, once again, thanks for watching and I hope I'll see you in my next videos. Bye bye.